So this is our Math 160 page. And when you go to Canvas, this is what you'll see when you enter our course. On the left-hand side, there are a lot of tabs here. And on the front page here is our announcements. So you should be able to see things that you'll need to complete, upcoming due dates on the announcement. And you can view all those announcements if you click the Announcements tab. And it lists all of them, even the previous ones. And then if you go to syllabus, this is where you can download a copy of the winter syllabus for the class, which explains all the instructions and directions for the course. And then the schedule is the schedule that will follow for the semester. Under modules, this is where you're going to see the material for the course. So the notes that we go over during class, you can find them here. You can also find playlists, which play the videos of the class that accompany the notes. You can download the blank notes, and then you can also take a look at the completed notes after we do them. I will post them here. And you should go through this. Like, let's click one of the modules. Here's module 3. And it lists like your learning objectives, and then it tells you a to-do list at the bottom. And you can go through that step by step. It walks you through if you click through there. And if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see our Zoom recordings, and you can also see the completed notes from class. And you can pick the date that you need, and you can click those. This is where you check your grade. And if you scroll down to Alex, this is where you will enter Alex. So when you go here, click that link, it will take you to Alex, and that's where you'll need to log in and access your Alex account, which is where the homework is located. So that's kind of a rundown of the class and how to navigate the Canvas page.